Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Oh my gosh, amazing morning over at Walgreens. We have $1.25 Huggies diapers. I think we traveled in a time machine and went into a different time to get the diapers that cheap. We're going to unpack that deal because if you are a parent going to a baby shower, this is a deal you're going to want to do because it is so great. First thing I do want to address though, early this morning on social media, there was kind of a rumor and a whisper that digital coupons were not coming off. You couldn't put in your store card and register rewards were not printing. And I'm here to say that I tested all this out at 9 a.m. and everything was working for me. I'm not sure if the person was at a 24-hour market shopping very early. Sometimes things don't work out, but around 9 o'clock, it tends to balance a little bit. So in case you're like really nervous, I would try the Dawn or the Colgate deal. Is everything working? Are the digital coupons coming off? Just to test it out. But it worked perfectly for me up here in Michigan. We're going to talk about clearance and basic deals, and then we're going to talk about the triple stack at the end. The first is this native coconut milk turmeric shampoo on clearance, 90% off for $1.29. It is this one that's yellow. Find it on an end cap. I know a lot of you love fancy native shampoo. If this is your jam, definitely BOLO for this. Be on the lookout. $1.29 is a crazy price point. Lots of the Walgreens petroleum jelly, stuff for acne, all 90% off as well. So 49 cents, 99 cents. If this is your thing, why not? And definitely flip them, look for the expiry dates. You don't want to buy like 15 of something that expired last, December. So just be really mindful of that because I've done that too, buy expired things, and it's really irritating. This is interesting. Crepe therapy lotion, 99 cents. What is that for? Do you guys know? I have no idea. I'm going to have to look it up, but what is that for? I'm just curious. And then I'm not really about showing inappropriate stuff on a Sunday, but these two bears were kissing, and they are on clearance for $7.49, part of Valentine's, and they are massive bears. If you didn't get any of the Dollar General penny ice cream, lots of the ice cream over at Walgreens in the larger tubs on clearance, 50% off for $3.49. Go and get your ice cream. And then lots of the toilet paper that was like $1 off, down to 50% at $3.79 for these 4 packs of the Cottonelle. I'm wondering in the next couple weeks if it's going to go $75. Wouldn't that be nice? And then our friend, this is back for $3.79. I think they're changing the packaging of this product in the near future. But if you are a paper shopper, definitely moonwalk down that aisle. You might be shocked what you find. First deal we're going to talk about is the free Colgate. Oh my gosh, I love this. You're going to grab 1 brush and 1 paste priced at $4 a pop. The promotion is $4 register reward when you buy 2. So you're going to be looking for these tags in store, the ones that are priced at $4. Look for each, grab 1 of each, and then you're going to load the following $2 off coupons. So the $2 for the brush and the $2 for the paste. You can see, guys, it says they were redeemed, so the digital coupons are coming off. Just to show you the receipt again, $4 for the brush, $4 for the paste, the $2 coupons coming off. My subtotal was $4. I used $2 in Walgreens cash, paid the balance, and got back a $4 register reward. So what a little deal for me. Now this one, I thought a second $5 register reward would print. It did not. So we're still going to unpack this deal if you're all about bar soap, because we haven't had a bar soap deal in a long time. So for all the bar soap shoppers out there, this one is for you. The promotion is to buy 3, get back a $5 register reward, and the bar soap is $8.29. We're going to load this digital coupon, which is a 5 off of 3. I think this was from last week. So if you didn't use it, you can use it this week. So this is what my cart looked like. 3 bar soaps. And again, this is one item I really don't have a lot in my stockpile. IBOTTA is giving back $2 for each. So that's $6 back, plus a 50-cent bonus. And I achieved that this morning. So I got $6.50 back from IBOTTA. Here's the math for this one. 3 of those Olay bar soaps for $24.87. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $19.87 out of pocket. Get back one $5 register reward, $6.50 back from IBOTTA, making it $8.37 for the 3 or $2.79 per 6-pack of Olay bar soap. No second register reward printed for me, and it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But definitely get your bar soap, guys, because we haven't had a deal like this in a while. And then just to show you, here's my $5 register reward. It expires on St. Patrick's Day, which is going to be on a Sunday. How interesting is that? The next deal that we have is with the Dawn dish soap. Buy 2, get back a $1 register reward. So grabbing 2 of these guys, that's $2.48. The $1 register reward printed for me, making it $1.48 for the 2 or 74 cents per dish soap. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. The General Mills cereal is 3 for $7. We have $1 off 2 digital. It makes it $6 for the 3 boxes, or $2 each. It's on this promotion. And Cheerios, a whole bunch of different cereals included if that's your thing or you want to stock up. $2 a box is not a bad price. Now for all the pet parents out there, cat moms, cat dads, $7.99 BOGO, 50% off for the Pet Shoppy litter, 7 pounds. And then the Arm & Hammer is $7.99 a box. So it's a difference between 7 pounds or 14. I would go with the Arm & Hammer, but you know, litter is very, very expensive right now. So definitely a stock up price using Walgreens cash or register rewards. Friends, now we're going to look at this triple stack. If you might have a paper booster of 9 back when you spend 40, sometimes if you do photo orders, those print. Just my luck. We also have the 10 back when you spend 40 on baby, and then a 7 back when you spend 40 on general merchandise. 2 digital, 1 paper. We're going to be grabbing 3 of the pull-ups and then 1 regular bag of Huggies. These are on a promotion this week of 2 for $21. So that's going to be $42 in diapers, and then a $5 register reward when you spend $35 on Huggies. And the pull-ups were tagged for this as well. Okay, so we got a bunch of digital coupons this morning. We have the $1.50 off of just a Huggies diaper, so load this one. And then for the pull-ups, you're going to load this guy, $1.50 off. And then we also have a 3 off of 2, so load this one as well. I mean, that's pretty generous. So really liking this. Fantastic. So here's the math for this one. For the bags, and we're going to have to diversify whatever your store has with the digital coupons, $42. Have your digital boosters loaded, which is the 7 back when you spend 40 and the 10 back when you spend 40 on baby stuff. If you might be so lucky to have a paper booster, get the cashier to scan it, pour vous. $6 of digital coupons are coming off. $1.50, $1.50, and a 3. With your debit card, you're going to pay $36. You have 3 boosters you're juggling. What you're getting back is $26 in Walgreens cash for the 3 boosters, plus one $5 register reward, making this $5 for the 4, or $1.25 per bag. That's an insane price point. We haven't seen that in years. Do not use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. But if you're going to a baby shower, expecting a baby, have grandbabies coming, this is the deal to do for very cheap diapers. So today is Sunday, the 3rd of March, and it is the final day of the Dollar General clearance event. That's only 3 days where select merchandise and extra 50% off. And this is my haul from yesterday. Lots of pennies and a couple clearance items. And guys, I really was having no luck. So what I did was I went through a clearance section, tidied it up, especially I pulled all the stuff out of boxes, and then the whole bottom shelf, I basically rearranged and cleaned it all up, got it all organized, and I found probably like 21 pennies. That's kind of a tactic that, you know, if you see a clearance section that's a disaster, if you just tidy things up, possibly you might find a lot of items. If you might have the time to do it, it's definitely worth it. Over on Instagram, lots of people wanted my UPCs from the makeup. So I'm just going to go through them, and you guessed it, everything's a scent. And lots of these I was finding in that clearance aisle that I helped to clean. Actually, an employee came by and she profusely thanked me. She's like, look, we're really short staffed, so thank you for doing this. I'm like, oh, no problem. I'm just looking for something. And she knew exactly what I was doing. And you know, that bottom shelf is where I found the majority of this, and it was like stuck to the back, or you're really gonna have to lean over. So it's just one of those things that if you're gonna look for it, sometimes you might find it. And this little Christmas ornament, a penny. I mean, it's unreal. So you have the UPCs, you know what you're looking for. This is given $1 cash back, and I don't know if I didn't activate it or just showed up this morning, but I could have made money off of those Dove hand soaps. But that one, a penny, you guessed it. Large body wash too, very nice. And then this is the one item that's not a penny. I found this in the regular Easter section. It's 24 cents, so part of Valentine's Day, 50% of that at 24 cents. What a steal of a deal. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.